What's going on, Unbox Nation? Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing Lyfelite Rechargeable LED light bulb. We will tell you all about Lyfelite specifications, demonstrate its features, and show you how to operate Lyfelite Rechargeable LED light bulb to its full potential. If you're new to our channel or not, please subscribe. Hit that bell button. This shows us that all of our hard work of making these videos for you guys wasn't a waste of time. Also, don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. As you can see, guys, this is pretty simple plastic box. There's not much to it. It comes with the 4 LED bulbs and 2 end caps. On the back, you have some instructions here that I'll go over with you later on in the video. This particular version of Lyfelite rechargeable LED bulbs that we are reviewing today is called soft white. This is a more subtle lighting option and is ideal for smaller spaces which require lower lighting. There's also a package called Daylight, which is more of a cooler light, and a combo pack that consists both of a daylight and soft light LED white bulbs. Guys, smash that like button if you like the variety of choices of these bulbs, and comment down below and let me know which one you'd go for if you're going to purchase them. When it comes to specs of Lyfelite rechargeable LED bulbs, they are shatterproof LED bulbs. You don't have to worry about them breaking. Brightness is around 320 to 350 lumens or 5 watts. They have 50,000 hours of bulb life. Batteries are installed within the bulb, and they also have smart chip technology inside them, which we will discuss later in the video. When it comes to the design, what can I tell you about the design, guys? Lyfelite rechargeable LED light bulbs look like an ordinary light bulb, except it has a built-in battery system that can run up to 5 hours. Its housing also made of plastic, like I demonstrated before, which means it's less likely to break or shatter on you as common with ordinary bulbs. Each Lyfelite bulb is also able to detect when the power has gone out due to the smart chip technology inside, which functions like a mini computer. After the chip inside sends a signal to the bulb that it cannot receive electricity, it'll start running through the use of its inner battery instead. However, once the power comes back on, the bulb will receive another signal and will switch back to the electrical power, while simultaneously recharging the battery for the next time you need it. Guys, smash that like button if you think these bulbs are a useful technology, and comment down below if they will be useful wherever you are from. Some of you might be wondering, well, how do you operate these magic Lyfelite LED bulbs? Well, to use one of these Lyfelite LED bulbs, it's pretty simple. You simply screw it into any light socket and use it the same as you would a normal bulb. While the bulb resides in a socket, it is also charging an included rechargeable battery. Thus, when your home loses power, the bulb senses the power loss and switches over to the battery power, allowing you to have a light for 4 to 5 hours. Another cool feature of Lyfelite LED bulb is that you can remove it from the socket and use it as a battery powered light. This is achieved by means of an end cap with a hook that is placed over the end. The cap also has a switch that lets you engage the light. You can hook your bulb with the included hook and use it for about 4 to 5 hours, like I mentioned before. When the power is depleted, you can simply put it into any light socket and allow it to charge again. Technically, you can swap lights out in this manner almost immediately. And all you have to do is to press this black button at the top of the cap in order to turn the light bulb on. Guys, smash that like button if you think that this feature is useful, and comment down below if you think you'd ever use this light bulb as a reading light or even a flashlight. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. Subscribe and don't forget to smash the bell button to be notified for future awesome helpful content. And remember, guys, it does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. So never give up and keep pushing forward.